We're working on my FRS today. We've already installed brake pads, rotors, lines, and fluid. So today we're gonna finish it off with the GrimmSpeed Master Cylinder Brace. If you actually take a closer look at the brake master cylinder when someone is stepping on the brake pedal, you actually see that it moves around a little bit, and that's due to the flex in the firewall. So when we installed this is actually gonna reduce about 94% of that flex, giving us a more solid and consistent brake pedal feel, which is exactly what we want while we're out on the track. Super easy to install. It should only take about 20 minutes or so, so I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Now, this is completely optional, but I'm going to be removing this brace here, not only to give me some more room to work with, but also give you guys a better visual. There's just 3 12mm nuts and 1 12mm bolt to remove, and we can get this out of the way. Now we need to remove this 10mm bolt that's holding the fuel line bracket in place. You're also going to need to remove the black sticker that's covering this threaded hole on the back side here. Once that's removed, we can slide the brace into place and use the included 10mm bolts to hand tighten it. And we'll just snug these down. Before I installed the bracket, you may have noticed that I pre-installed the stud here to make things a little bit easier. Just make sure the hole for the Allen key is on the front here so you have access to that. Then we're going to slide this into place and tighten the nut on the back side. And once that's snug, we're going to take the Allen key and a 15mm wrench, and we're going to take another 1 to 2 full turns of that nut to preload the brace. Once that's done, we can tighten the front nut and then tighten the 2 10mm bolts. And that basically does it. That's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, 20 minutes tops. If you did remove that brace, make sure to get that reinstalled. But this is gonna give us a nice consistent brake pedal feel while we're going into those corners, braking hard. And it's gonna give us the confidence we need to keep pushing the limits. So if you guys track your car, or if you just wanna improve the drivability of your car, I highly recommend you pick one of these up. I will leave a link down in the description. If you guys have any other parts you recommend me install on my car, or any questions at all, leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time.